London's Point Blank Music School Studio Sessions. Welcome back to Point Blank Studio Sessions. I'm Sadis.
And I'm Henry.
And this is where we find some of the hottest talent at Point Blank's music school and bring them straight to your screens.
Today we have a piano-playing singer-songwriter Krameri with her very own song, Head in the Clouds.
Stupid, superficial to begin with. Started on an empty page. Not too many stories to tell you, but you've got books to burn for days. Hiding under messy covers, trying hard to find the truth. Filling the hole in my soul with the sound of you. And I've got my head in the clouds, and you've got your feet on the floor. I'm the one keeping time and looking for so much more. I've got a clean slate, baby, but you've got ghosts with you. You can't keep your mind and the demons inside them aside for hurting you. Should have known better, I'd regret this. We're rolling downhill from here. We've got nothing to hold on to. Everything is dark, it's clear. I've got my head in the clouds and you've got your feet on the floor. The whole world is upside down, you've crumbled it all. You've got your head in the clouds and I've got my feet on the floor. I'm the one keeping time and looking for so much more. Golden skies and they're high in the heat up. Chilling lights in the tide with my feet up. Moonshine not too bright, got my hair up. I'll be fitting all the pieces when it's over. Because it's stupid, superficial to begin with. We can't start on an empty page. We've got stories to write now, but I've burned all my pages. Yeah, you can keep all of your love for yourself. You never gave it anyway. 'Cause I've got nothing to give now. You fade away with every day. I'm tired, I'm rising, I'm hollow. This fever is a tide too hard to swallow. 'Cause I've got my head in the clouds, I've got my head in the clouds, I've got my head. You've got your feet on the floor, you've got your feet on the floor, you've got your feet. Hey.
Hello, Krameri.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm great, thank you.
Welcome to Point Blank.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for joining us.
You had a little last-minute change of song
I did.
to Head in the Clouds. What made you want to do that one today?
Well, Your Head in the Clouds is actually the first song that I ever wrote, like the first proper song with the verse and the chorus and everything. And I just felt like it was really special to me, and I just decided to do like this last-minute change.
Nice.
And also my mom, when I told her I was gonna do this other song, she said, "No, do Head in the Clouds," because that's like her favorite song.
Mums know best.
Mums know
Mums
best.
know best every
Mums
time.
know best.
I know
So
you were in a duo, right?
I was.
And you've recently gone to being solo.
That's right.
Has that changed anything?
I mean, so I was working in a duo with a friend of mine called Gopi Krishnan, and his producer name is 6091. And we were always like working together. I was writing songs and he was producing them. And then I just felt like somewhere that I wanted to, I don't know, like maybe just try and produce on my own for one. And also like I wanted to do some other songs that were like separate, but then we didn't know how to balance that. So just to like streamline all that, I was like, okay, I'll be Krameri and then we can still work together, but like I just want like a separate thing. So we're still working together because like he's one of my best friends and he's so talented. But like, yeah, I just have like a separate artist name now.
Great. And I want to talk to you about your sound a little bit because it's quite interesting. It's been described as like a jazz, electro pop, and then there's like flares of Indian instrumentation if you listen carefully enough. Talk to us about how important it is for you to kind of add parts of your culture into your music and the development of your overall sound, and what direction you're trying to steer that in.
Yeah, I'm definitely, the adding of the Indian elements was definitely a very conscious choice for me. And I'm still trying to figure out how to do that best, because sometimes when you're trying to fuse things together, often fusion can just sound very like,
Forced.
weird and forced. But yeah, like I really want to take the time to make it sound interesting and something that's something that's also mine, because I feel like even growing up in India, like I speak English, and well, we were ruled by the Britishers for like 200 years. So it's not like but it's just something that I feel like I want to keep of my own culture as well.
Yeah.
Like even when I'm singing, sometimes I'm so conscious of my accent, because like, like you grew up like in India, like I grew up listening to like English pop songs, and then so even when I was singing, like sometimes when I hear some of my earlier songs, I just cringe, because like I'm singing in this American accent, and like now I'm like with my own songs, I try to at least like keep my own kind of Indian accent there without it sounding too weird.
Do you struggle a little bit?
Yeah, I'm still trying to find the right.
You've got it bang on.
Yeah,
You've got it bang on now, though. We're going to ask you some quick fire questions just to get to know you a little bit better.
Yeah.
So can we get
have a bit of fun?
60 seconds on the clock? Yep. Right. What is your favourite ever film?
Favorite ever film? Ocean's 11.
I've never even seen that.
No?
No.
Get on the bandwagon.
George Clooney and Brad Pitt.
Biggest
50s.
pet peeve?
Biggest pet peeve.
What makes your blood boil?
I don't know. I'm really chill that way. Like I don't.
Probably
have
getting
any
asked questions that you don't know what's coming.
Yeah, I can't think of anything.
Okay, what about if you weren't doing music, what career choice would you pick?
If I weren't doing I would be a writer for sure. Like I'm already a singer-songwriter, so I feel like a writer. I would write books.
Books and stuff. Celebrity crush?
Timothy Chalamet.
Ooh.
Who?
He was in Call Me by
Wait
Your
a minute.
Name.
Oh,
Have you seen it?
I've never seen it.
Oh, you should. It's a really nice film.
How'd you have your eggs done?
Fried.
Good
Solid.
choice. Good choice. If you could take any celebrity, I'm with the celebrity questions today, aren't I? If you could take any celebrity out for dinner, dead or alive, who would it be?
Ooh, an Indian actor called Ranveer Singh, because he's so energetic, and I would love to spend it.
Yeah.
We got time for one more. If your house was on fire, what two things would you run back in for?
Oh my god, my hard drive and my laptop.
Good choice.
That's 2019 for you guys. Hard drive and the laptop.
Forget the cat.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
And we'll see you next time for Point Blank Studio Sessions.
Yes, studio sessions. London's Point Blank Music School. Studio sessions.